when I found out I needed the crown, I had a tooth that had fallen off, basically, and I had a hole in there. So when I would chew, of course, the food would get stuck in the hole, and it was very uncomfortable. So when I got the crown put on, it made things so much better because I actually could eat normally, and there wasn't the pain and the food getting stuck in my tooth. So it was awesome to be able to have that relief. The anxiety that comes for me is because of childhood trauma. I wasn't given pain medication when they would drill, and so when they would hit my nerve, I would grab a hold of the chair. And when I come here to Agave Dental, Dr. Casales knew my fear, and so he offered me the nitrous and told me that maybe this would help, which was a great benefit to me because like I said, I deal with a major anxiety with that. Anytime I'd hear the drill, I would clench, and it would cause jaw pain, and it would cause me to not want to come to the dentist. And so this has been an absolute game changer for me to be able to come and get that nitrous and be able to feel no pain after I get done.